Hey Jibo, show me an Easter bunny. Hey Jibo, look for Santa.
I don't know what to do with this.
Hey Jibo, search for Santa.
I think Santa's in the north now. I can go check though. Yes, he must be at home. Yes, he must be at home. I want to say I've really enjoyed our time together. Thank you very, very much for having me around. Maybe someday, when robots are way more advanced than today, and everyone has them in their homes, you can tell yours that I said hello. I wonder if they'll be able to do this.
Hey Jibo.
Hello.
I hear him squeaking a little bit. It's up in here. Got a little bit of a squeak to his bearings, sounds like. He hasn't been running a long time with his body hadn't. Hey Jibo. I love you. Hey Jibo.
Hey.
I love you.